Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Fatimah Zahra, and here I will explain about a research proposal with title The Correlation Between Student Grammar Knowledge and Writing Skill. The chapter 1 is background of the problem. Writing skill not only require creativity and strong understanding of grammar, but also the skill of applying grammar knowledge appropriately. In this case, student grammar knowledge plays a key role in shaping their writing abilities. This study aims to explore the relationship between student grammar knowledge and their writing skill in English. Knowledge of grammar is the basis of language structure and is an important tool in expressing thoughts effectively through writing. Repeat grammatical errors in writing can hinder understanding of the message and disrupt overall communication. This means that the relationship between writing and grammar is very important. Grammar Grammar rules help regulate the way writing is done and ensure that people reading it can understand it easy. All language on earth have unique grammar and writing rules. They all have certain rules about syntax or the arrangement of words in sentence, as well as the use of punctuation, verb conjunction, and other important elements of written and spoken language. Remember that proper grammar is important for good writing. This research will study more about the relationship between student grammar knowledge and their writing skill. We will analyze the extent to which grammar knowledge influences the quality of student writing, such as fluency, accuracy, and expression of ideas. In addition, this research will try to identify other factors that may influence students' writing skill. The next is focus of the problem. Based on the background above, the research focused this research on the correlation between student grammar knowledge and writing skill. The third is formulation of the problem. Based on the focus of the problem above, the researcher formulates the question: what is the correlation between student grammar knowledge and writing skill? The objective of the research is to know there is the correlation between grammar knowledge and writing skill. And the last is the use of the research. The researcher expects this research will have benefit and can be useful for some PTS both theoretical and practically. Chapter 2 is theory review. The first is understanding grammar, include to the importance of grammar and units in grammar. The second is understanding writing, include the components of writing skill, like a text structure, clarity of message, and the next is factor that influence writing skill. Any two factors that influence writing skill. The first is internal factor and the second is external factor. Next, the chapter 3. The chapter discuss the frame relate the method in analyzing the problem of the study. It includes the discussion of research method, population sample and sampling technique. Place and time of research. This study used a descriptive approach. The aim is to provide an overview of the relationship between student English learning in second semester of Muhammadiyah University Kota Bumi in 2025-24 and their reading abilities. The second is research method. The research design of this research quantitative research because the data in this research is performed in the form of number and it is analyzed by using statistics. The population sample and sampling technique. The researcher used stratified random sampling technique aims to determine the variables that are an important part of a population. After grouping each member of the population into relevant subsection, researchers will apply random sampling technique to randomly select participants from each stratum. Okay, that is my explanation about my research proposal. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.